a 17-year-old female who suffered a traumatic brain injury in a motor vehicle crash. On day 6, she was unresponsive to any stimulus and had no spontaneous respirations above the set rate on the ventilator. The following patient data was observed. Her heart rate is 100, respiratory rate 18, blood pressure 100/60, temperature 96 degrees Fahrenheit, saturation 98%, urine output 100 milliliters per hour. Now, the question is at the end here. To definitively confirm brain death, the adult critical care specialist should recommend what? Alright, so the question is about confirming brain death. So we suspect that there could be a problem. She's not breathing at all beyond what's set on the ventilator. And normally what you do first is the apnea test. You just take them off and see if they'll breathe, yes or no. The problem is they have to have a normal temperature in order to do that test. And if you'll notice, the temperature was not normal. Instead of 98.6, it's down to 96. So they're hypothermic, and they need to have a normal temperature in order to do that apnea testing. So that's eliminated. Plus, that's not really the best test. Going backwards, letter C, vestibular caloric reflex test. Okay, that just means squirt some cold water into their ear and see if their eyes react. And if their eyes react to that, that just tells you they still have an active brain stem. But it's not the best way to confirm if the brain is dead. Right? EEG, you could do that, and if you have a flat line EEG, that would indicate there's not activity going on in the brain, but it is not the best way to confirm brain death. And so all of these are things that can be done, but they're not the best. And this is asking to definitively confirm brain death. In other words, what's the very best way to do it? And that's answer A, a cerebral perfusion scan. That way you're going to see if there's any blood going to the brain whatsoever. If there's no blood going to the brain, then the brain is dead. And so that is the best test of all. The correct answer is answer A.